Welcome to your channel name. Today, we're talking about a topic that's a game changer for many breastfeeding moms: pumping essentials. Whether you're heading back to work, exclusively pumping, or just looking for flexibility, having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, I'll share a list of must-have products to make pumping more efficient, comfortable, and stress-free. Stick around for tips on how to use these products effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more parenting tips and advice. Let's dive in. A quality breast pump is the foundation of a successful pumping journey. Here are your options. Electric breast pumps are perfect for moms who pump frequently. Brands like Medela, Spectra, and LV are popular choices. Manual pumps are great for occasional use or for on-the-go pumping. They're lightweight and affordable. Wearable pumps like Willow or LV allow you to multitask while pumping. What type of breast pump do you use, and what do you love about it? Share your experience in the comments to help other moms. Once you have your pump, these accessories will make your pumping sessions smoother and more comfortable. Hands-free pumping bras are a lifesaver for multitasking during pump sessions. Look for leak-proof, freezer-safe milk storage bags to keep your milk fresh. A portable cleaning kit or sterilizing bags make it easy to clean pump parts on the go. Cooling bags and ice packs are ideal for storing milk safely when you're away from home. Do you have a favorite accessory that makes pumping easier? Let us know in the comments. Pumping can sometimes be uncomfortable, but these products can help. A good lanolin or plant-based nipple cream can soothe and protect your skin. Warm packs can help with letdown, while cold packs can relieve soreness. Set up a cozy spot with a chair, a small table, and everything you need within reach to make pumping sessions more comfortable. What's one thing you keep at your pumping station to make it more comfortable? Share your ideas in the comments. Organization and motivation are key to a successful pumping routine. Apps like Pump Log or Baby Tracker can help you track sessions and milk output. Use storage organizers to keep milk bags in order by date for easy rotation. Jot down notes on your supply, baby's feeding patterns, and how you're feeling to stay motivated and organized. What tools or apps do you use to stay organized while pumping? Let's hear your recommendations in the comments. Pumping can be a marathon, not a sprint. Here are some tips to help you succeed long-term. Drink plenty of water and eat nutrient-dense foods to support milk production. Don't skip pump sessions. It can lead to clogged ducts and a drop in supply. Share your goals with family or friends so they can encourage and assist you. What's one piece of advice you'd give to a mom starting her pumping journey? Share it in the comments to support other moms. Pumping can feel overwhelming, but with the right products and mindset, you can make it a smoother and more rewarding experience. Remember, every mom's journey is unique. What works for one mom may not work for another, and that's okay. What's your must-have pumping product or tip that every mom should know? Let's share ideas and build a community of support in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more parenting tips and product recommendations. Check out my other videos for more insights to make motherhood easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy pumping and enjoy every moment of your motherhood journey.